Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a daily close for a NASDAQ and we see a very nice green day as expected, and as we said, since of course this bottom after this zigzag, and I came up of course with this potential scenario that we might have a leading diagonal, which is working perfectly right now. Still working in an AB and looking for this wave C. Today in the morning we were there. After the 0.38 we said of course we want to see an impulse toward the upside for a wave C hitting the blue zone here between the 0.786, 0.886, or simply taking the low. It doesn't need to really touch this, but just by taking the low that would be much more than enough. What I do not want to see is of course taking the one-to-one fib level. It sounds weird, I know, that it is a higher price, and I wouldn't like to see of course the price hitting this right now, because of course this will end up in a wave C. Yeah, so wave C, which is a one-to-one fib level, first invalidation of the wave 3, longer than wave 1, so invalidation of leading diagonal, therefore of course wave C, meaning correction A, B, and a C, and meaning of course continuation toward the downside. So that would be kind of like just cooling down the things, yeah, but it might escalate again in case of course we finish in correction. Therefore, I prefer to simply take the high, or at least hitting this target here, the blue zone, and then start of course with a wave 4 and a 5 to see a leading diagonal. Of course, in this case scenario, I know it might take time, it might take 2 weeks almost, maybe more or less, because of course you have also wave 2 after it. This is your wave 1, then wave 2. So yeah, we need to have a long breath with this recovery until it starts to move toward the upside, guys. So yeah, basically it's still working perfectly. Now if we dive a little bit on the 15-minute chart for this impulse, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very clear impulse and looking great. Okay, but if we finish right now 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, let me check one thing before we. Okay, yeah, it has been hit. Perfect. I'm just looking for the 0.38 if it is healthy impulse, so everything looks great, and exactly the 0.38, meaning of course the price is very intense, yeah, to move towards the upside. We might see of course a very massive move soon, and tomorrow, yeah, so potentially this might be tomorrow, of course, the target hit. Yeah, basically everything looks nice. So we're gonna see of course an extended wave 5. And on the SPX, great. Everything looks yeah, perfect as expected. Potentially the wave A might be finished. Yeah, guys, it might be finished with a small wave 1 here that you cannot really see, only internally 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave A, B, and a C. And that because of course we did not hit here the 0.38 in case you are looking for 1, 2 here. So basically, sorry, in case you are looking for this wave B, basically a wave B can hit simply the 0.23. Yeah, it's a wave B, it's not a wave 2. Therefore, I think on the 15-minute chart we're moving as well. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2. Okay, let's check one thing again. Did we hit the 0.38 or? Oof. Okay, it's all right. A little bit weird, but therefore this is a wave 4, and that means 1, 2, 3, wave 4, and a 5. Yeah, that's great. That's good. Okay, I'm just checking just the healthiness, guys, and to get much more convinced that this is a wave A and not here the wave A. Basically, I'm convinced that here is a wave A. This is a fib level for a wave 4. Therefore, this is your wave 5, your wave B, perfect with the 0.23. So yes, exactly. This is what I would like to see, guys. We're looking right now for 1, 2. Therefore, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that's why I was like investigating to know what is this wave. Is it wave 5 or is it wave 1? So basically, higher possibility that this is your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, we're moving toward the blue zone again perfectly as a zigzag. Again, what you do not want to see is, of course, hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, invalidation of this leading diagonal. Yeah, so we want to move down. Very, very weird to say it, but we want to move down from this box and then moving up again, of course, for the wave 5 to finish a wave 1, then wave 2, and continuation for a wave 3 massive explosion toward the upside. So yeah, the things are still working perfectly. I'm happy with it, of course, since the whole week is working on this leading diagonal. So everything working like crystal clear, impulses and zigzags for this leading diagonal. Yep, so that was it for the SPX and the NDX daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.